My house is 60 years old. I've lived here for 30 years, and I'm pretty sure this is original tile. Every once in a while, these plastic tiles come loose. What I've done for years is use this product, Weld Bond, more than great glue. Stuff works great. This glue, get it all plugged up. Oops. I need the knife. I use it for all kinds of stuff. I get some back of that tile. You don't need crazy amount, just enough with the stick. This is not really easy to get to. It's back in that corner. I'll put a little bit more on there. I'm going to take some painter's tape and I'm going to fold over a flap on it so it's easy to take off. And I'm going to put it on there to hold it. Push that all in there. And the glue says to let it dry for 24 hours, so that's what I'll do. Got that tape, that should be good. And we'll see how it looks. I'll put a link in the comments below on where you can get this glue. And this is starting to come loose. So one piece of tape's not going to do it. So I'm going to put another one up here on the top, push down into that V groove. And I'm going to put another one. Let's tab it, and I'll put it down at the bottom. And hopefully that'll hold it in place. Push that. Oh, it's hard to get it out, to keep it out, and then now it doesn't want to stay in there. That's Murphy's Law, making life somewhat difficult. It's been 24 hours. Let's see how this looks. I usually hold the tile that I glued and carefully peel the tape off. And it stuck real well. Well, it's easy as that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.